बचपन में माई कजिन ऑलवेज टू टीज मी क्यों ही हैड गॉन टू द यूएसए राइट. वहाँ पे ही हैड गॉन टू अ बर्गर किंग एंड आई एम अ फैन ऑफ बर्गर्स. इफ यू लेट मी चूज बिटवीन पिज्जाज एंड बर्गर्स, मैं 100% बर्गर ही चूज करूंगा. एंड आई रिमेंबर यू टेल मी बर्गर किंग ऐसा था, उसके बर्गर ऐसे थे, एंड इट यूज टू बी अ ड्रीम फॉर मी इन माई चाइल्डहुड टू गो टू अ बर्गर किंग. And I could not imagine that there would be a day when I'm recording a YouTube video talking about the IPO issue in our country of Burger King India Limited. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets, and today we're going to talk about the much awaited Burger King India Limited IPO in our country. Now, first we are going to see the facts, we are going to analyze the situation of Burger King, हम इसका competition देखेंगे. Then we are going to discuss whether it would be a safe bet and whether you should apply for this IPO or not. Again, I will just tell you my opinion on it. ठीक है, सबसे पहला, the name of this IPO, of course, is Burger King India Limited. Now, the IPO details, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. The issue size is of 810 crores. The IPO opens on 2nd December and it will be from 2nd December 2020 to 4th December 2020. The face value of this will be 10 rupees per share. The IPO price, the expected IPO price per share is between 59 to 60. Then the shares will come in your demat account on 11th December. That is if you get the allotment of these shares. And the listing of this company will be on 14th December. इसका मतलब on 14th December this stock will be listed on the stock exchange so that all of us can buy and sell independently also, right? We won't have to apply for any IPO then when it's listed. So this is the IPO details. अब let's understand the company. ठीक है. Now company में सबसे interesting ये है, one of the key factors about Burger King India Limited is that it is the fastest growing QSR in India for the past 5 years. Fastest growing QSR in India. QSR क्या होता है? QSR का bracket is the quick service restaurants. So out of all the quick service restaurants industry, it's the fastest growing. Now if let's check the growth rates out. Now, if you see the growth rate of the QSR industry of the past 5 years in our country, in India, on a CAGR level, Burger King has grown by 56%, McDonald's has grown by 17%, and Domino's has grown by 12%. So you can clearly see that Burger King is far ahead of any of its competition. It has grown at 56%. So much so, Burger King as of now has 216 outlets pan India, and mainly all of them are in the metropolitans itself. Now the products are reasonably priced. Burger King, I think what is good for Burger King कि Burger King में ना brand loyalty बहुत ज़्यादा है, एक customer loyalty बहुत ज़्यादा है. So suppose if you take me for example, I love the mutton whopper जो Burger King देता है, and personally I will always, मतलब if I have to go for a burger तो मैं तो Burger King के लिए ही जाऊँगा. So if this is with me, then I'm sure this is with you also, that Burger King definitely has a customer loyalty. Burger King has a brand loyalty, वो तो है ही है, right? And I feel the food products also reasonably priced. I think उन्होंने menu निकाला है जिसमें cheaper products भी हैं इंडिया के लिए, and बहुत veg options भी आ गए हैं, which for the Indian market is pretty huge for any QSR. So all of that is good. And the good thing that it is backed up by good and professional management. So that is always a bonus. Now let's check out the competition of Burger King. In the QSR industry itself, the main competitors, I'm telling you the main competitors with their market share. The biggest share in the QSR market is of Domino's, which is Jubilant, which has 21% of the market share. McDonald's has 11% of the market share. KFC has 10% of the market share. Then comes Subway, Subway has 6%, and Burger King as of now has 5% of the market share. Right? This is the entire situation. And let me just see if I have not missed out any point. Perfect. Okay. Now, should you invest in the Burger King India Limited IPO or not? For me, सबसे पहला, if this is your first IPO, definitely go for it, because ये बहुत बड़ा myth होता है that IPOs are the best investment to double your money. So that's clearly not the case. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले get that out. Now talking ki should you invest in this IPO or not. Now for me, in India, if you see the data, the trend of eating outside फॉर इंडियंस इज इंक्रीजिंग. जैसे वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में होता है कि बाहर खाना इज अ नॉर्मल थिंग, दैट यू गोइंग फॉर योर जॉब, सो यू गोइंग टू टेक कॉफी फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, यू गोइंग टू टेक डिनर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, लंच फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, ब्रेकफास्ट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, वो बहुत नॉर्मल है. बट इन इंडिया इट इज रैपिडली इंक्रीजिंग. वन ऑफ द फैक्टर्स इज दैट वी हैव one of the youngest populations in the world, so that is why eating out ka बढ़ रहा है, and I feel that the growth rate of the QSR industry will grow even more. So that is clearly there. Second good points I personally find about Burger King is that it's a global brand value, it's growth, it's growing market share, and I feel it's very reasonably priced. If you look at the fundamentals, it's reasonably priced between 59 to 60 rupees, whatever price it lists at, right? It's the expected listing price. And you know what's the biggest news I've heard? There's such hype around this share that according to Money Control, is that the shares of Burger King India Limited are already trading at 40% premium over the issue price in the grey market. Shares have already started trading at 40% premium in the grey market, right, over the issue price, that is. So I'm going to link that article in the description below also, so that you guys can also check it out. So my final opinion, should you apply for this IPO or not? Sabse pehla, if this is the first IPO you're applying for, I think you should go for it. Why? Because it's an experience and you should definitely get the experience. Second, if I look market on an overall basis, तो market बहुत ज़्यादा heavily priced है, right? बहुत overly priced है. Nifty PE itself is 36. 36, it's ridiculous, right? 36 तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. अब बात करते हैं कंपनी की. Now because the IPO is so anticipated, heavily anticipated, so much so that in the grey market it's been sold at 40% premium, additional 40% premium over the issue price. It clearly shows the probability that when this share lists, it will list on a very high level. So खुलते ही stock ऊपर जाएगा. So if you can apply for it, you can do that, because probability है कि खुलते हुए ये share काफ़ी, जैसी ही company list होगी इसकी share price काफ़ी ऊपर जाएगी. That's if you go by the logic, right? Second, I feel that this company is a great hold for 5 to 6 years. If you're looking for investment 5 to 6 years, and if you can apply for an IPO, and if you're lucky that you get that issue, I think that this company will be a great hold, because India is a growing economy and the trend of eating outside has been constantly increasing, and Burger King is one brand which is backed up by good management, and it demands a lot of customer and brand loyalty, right? So that was it for today. Tell me in the comment section, would you be investing in the Burger King IPO, or you would not be investing in the Burger King IPO? Tell me your reasons. Tell me the reasons that you want, and tell me the reasons that you will. Share this video so that everyone can get to know about it. Subscribe to this channel if you already haven't. Like the video. Until then, boys, this is Goila School of Finance, financially empowering you.